Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura and I am a happiness and spiritual life coach. I help guide clients to a better life through meeting goals and outcomes that result in happiness and spiritual wellness. And I'm glad that you're here today because I'm going to be discussing mental decluttering for clarity, part 1 of 2. So I have 5 simple steps to help you clear your mind. So let's get right into it. So I look at mentally decluttering basically like this. When you come home from a long, hard day at work or school and you open the front door and your living room, your house is all in disarray and you're kind of navigating through the obstacle course of your living room to get to your bedroom, it's the same thing with your mind, how you can be cluttered and overwhelmed with thoughts, and perhaps the normal activities and day-to-day things that you are doing become daunting very quickly. So let's get into the 5 steps. They're very simple but also vital for mental clarity. So step 1 is to prioritize your day or your week ahead. This does not need to be a very big project. In fact, it's intended to be in like little bite-sized chunks for you to not get overwhelmed with everything that you have to do. Look at your day ahead, see what is most important, or in your week ahead, see what you really have to get done, schedule it, whatever you feel like you really want to get done, but you maybe have too much on your plate, delegate that to somebody else, maybe your husband or your wife, or you have kids that can help you with that project or that activity. Give them that chore to do. Out of sight, out of mind. It still gets done, but you don't have to be a superhero doing all the things all the time. So step 2 is focus on one thing at a time. So now that we've set our priorities for the day or the week ahead in order, try to tackle one task and one task only at a time. Be mindful of it, put your love and light into it, and then when you're finished with that task, feel free to move on to the next. Okay, so for step 3 of mentally decluttering your mind for clarity is get enough sleep. This may look like different things to different people. I know that for myself, I'm pretty good with running 5 or 6 hours of sleep. I have all the energy I need for the day, but that might be a different amount of sleep. You might need, the same 5 or 6, you might need 8 or 9, but you're not doing yourself any favors if you're burning the candle at both ends and you wake up and you hit the ground running with a half empty tank. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you're doing all the things. You might be starting to run on empty. So do yourself a favor, get enough sleep. And I don't mean just put your feet up and binge watch all the Netflix till 4 a.m. Watch a show, but make sure you turn it off and actually get some really great rest. Step number 4 is to meditate. And I know that seems super obvious, but you know how it is when you start your day and you're busy, and you're running around and you're in the rat race. Don't forget to take a minute and breathe, center yourself. If you can find 5 or 10 minutes to meditate, do that. I made a 4-minute morning guided meditation that I will be happy to leave a link down in the description below if you want to check that out. And it's really important to just implement a little bit of meditation into your daily life every day, no matter what you're going through. Okay, so step 5 of mentally decluttering for clarity is clean your physical space. Can you imagine a Tibetan monk living in a pigsty? Just doesn't really vibe that well. So if you're dodging laundry on the floor and maybe there's something hanging from your ceiling fan and you have an intense aroma of leftover food from last week that magically got shoved underneath your bed, you will be 1000% distracted and you won't be in a good, clear mental space, right? So it's very vital, very important to clean your physical space. So that brings it to the end of the 5 tips for mentally decluttering for clarity, part 1. And if you found any value in this video, please show some love, give it a like, subscribe to my channel down below, and ding the bell for notifications when I upload my next video, which will be next week. YouTube loves that and it helps small channels like me grow. So I hope you have a really great day. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section down below if you have any tips or tricks on how you declutter your mind, and we would really appreciate the love. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye. Hey guys, again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next week's video when I bring you part 2 of my mentally decluttering how-to for continued self-improvement. And in the meantime, check out my 4-minute morning guided meditation right here. Until then, stay safe, take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.